So welcome back to my channel. This is your man Takeoff Pongenex, and right now I am in Gigwema right now. I'm supposed to trek today, but I lost my way. Moi ekta jaga ja uthule je. Lo to jaga to mi rasta na jina bo je. So yeah, moi kumba ki hotisile tambi ma sure nai go je to sure nai go je liwi moi I'll just take this road. Itu rasta lina uthule try kor sam. Aro mala basin digi moi di chado. All right then, I'll see you in the halfway. So my trekking started. Liwi ko na moi all of din ho je. It's been a few weeks now. I wanted to go I wanted to go and explore this place, which I will, if I happen to reach, I will surely show you all. I'm just going inside to this jungle. Alright, so if I happen to meet anyone on my way, then I'll surely ask somebody, is this the right road or is this not the one? So yeah, excited at the same time. Little confused, but I really hats off to those people who are doing trekking and vlogging. So I hats off to all those trekkers in the world doing vlogging at the same time also climbing the hills, not only just small valleys but going to different other countries and hiking there with a zero knowledge. So yeah, heads off to all of you. And if I'm not wrong, I think this is the right one. This is the right way I'm taking, I believe, because water tank water tank so left he jai dekhi because to angle go I think I better go this way. It be like that. It be like that. All right. So I'm still on the way. Kita ini nah jaga kita semua ini tu. Mana tu aisy pada. Lebih the first time I have. Kari ayo border sahaja. Lebih kon hai trekking kurwa aja tu. Since mula plan B trekking hai kurle muna aja moi. To niche dis kudi rakhi devi bhali hoje. Ha, bishi musti ho. Bishi musto jazi moi. So I think trekking is very good to lose some weight, low weight all up. Nama olevi, I think trekking walk rather bishi bala se. Olevi panchina. Am I going the right way? It was the take rasta jazla. No do. All that rasta do I think will be a waste of time again. Maybe uncle go with Tiki was here, directions of the Chitai Bajoshi. And narrow teams. So I believe that with you, Ulara Stado, this was a say, we climb Guli Montalado, it was a little protest there. To la Pichi. So challenging, when we don't know the road and we just go randomly. But it's okay. It's good to explore. Aro itvi corridor na banana se under construct like roof na. Keep on driving it. I don't know what they are trying to build there. The thing is today it's kind of hot. So look koroma se ji. Karne walk corridor look challenging as ji. Okay, ini rasta tu utia go. Tu jauh na. don't know. Don't know lagi. I think tadi rasa itu tuh udah. Seriously. Rasa najin birabi muzana. Ek jungle lok pari balas le. Ini kitian doa deh. Lebih kombin aja tuh kiti. I'm hoping. Itu kita boleh zoe. Itu koron. Mungkin udah ya sana. I feel like I'm getting into this thing. Pony farm kali air jangan lagi aja. Like that is my feeling, you know. We feel good. Hello. If I don't know, maybe there should be a way. Maybe direction of all the houses. Size of the direction of the desert. Remember, she if she has it. So I think I saw more back in Gilo Palace. I'm going back and let's see. We the Jagawana for the again Tingira. We left a little Luina. To the right for the Luis over. Right Luina. Progress. Wow. Mozana. I'll see you after some time again. So right now I've reached the one place and I can see some house here. Feels like it's going to be a beautiful view. And so I'm heading with full confidence that I will find it no matter what. Alivi, Kwanzina TV. Again, time. There's nobody here. Combinado. See. Wow. There's a piece of bonnet. Hornbill View Cottage. Wow. Nice, yeah. Look at it. Yeah. I mean, like, wow. Look at this room where you can come and stay the night here. So nice, yeah. Cottage can baba banana so. Wow. Beautiful, yeah. Look at this. See. Awesome. Look at some. And there is a giveaway together. I did cottage it as a muy jawla da fele our kaskan cottage kana je jang sapi hole mu do la plan da jigo do iri hore la noy. It's just a random visit here. The power meaning here. So I'll be taking the other road. Wow. See what a beauty. This is a camping ground. So nice. Look at this. These are rooms. These are all rooms. Dub by the mosquito over here. Goram din aja na. Wow. So this is Kisama. Sab Kisama de. Mima busteza de ticket. Okay. So muy lo rasta de Ini baru saja mau. Si, nasta bal nih, lo bisa aku lagi. Woi, hei. So guys, मैं ठीक रास्ता दे रही इसलिए अंकल इतना लोग बचे तो अंकल तुम मुझे रास्ता दिखाई दियो वैसे थैंक्स आपने भी दादी जाते अंकल दादी जाते आपने भी
मैं याते আছে
ओ अच्छा
그래 몰라 수만 야তে রাখি দিব
ओ अच्छा ताकि अंकल के दिखता है आज तो तुम रास्ता भरे ना इधर जैसे तो ऊपर इतना मानो पैसे यारो तो अंकल इतना बड़ा ये दिन भी ना इधर बार जब भी ना नीचे जाजे भी ना किसी तो मुझे so yeah guys
뭐 수만 칸 할리 할라기네 나
oh आपने किसी thanks help kरो अंकल
ना 뭐
पानी खावा
나 पानी भी আছে
अच्छा
뭐 야তে अलग काम करी बोले 수만 칸 ना
oh अच्छा so I thank God and also I thank uncle for this. I think it was a divine appointment because I was lost and I was like nowhere to go. I don't know which way to go. I was supposed to give up and I was supposed to go home because I don't know the way. So I get lost and then it's like more risky. So, but I thank God for meeting our uncle here.